Do you want to stop other people to see who you're following on TikTok? Then this quick video is for you because I'm going to show you how you can hide the following list in just seconds. But before we start with this tutorial, if you're new to the channel, then please make sure to subscribe for more similar videos like this one. So let's start by opening our TikTok app on iPhone or our Android device. It doesn't really matter because the steps are the same for both versions of the app. Let's then go over to our TikTok profile by tapping here. And in the past, if you wanted to hide your TikTok following list, then you would have to make your whole TikTok profile private, but you don't have to do that anymore. All we'll do is to hop over to our settings by tapping on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. After this, we're going to open the settings and privacy section. Once you get here, you're going to hop over to this privacy section right here. This page is going to allow us to customize a bunch of different things related to our TikTok account. But the option which we need to find is the following list, which should be located somewhere towards the bottom. You should see two different options, and yours was probably set to everybody, which meant that everyone that opens your profile can see your following list, and we don't want this. Just set this to only me, and from now on, you will be the only person who can see the list of people that you follow on TikTok. And the best part is that we didn't have to make our whole TikTok account private. If you found this guide useful, then please consider leaving a like because it would really help out my channel.